What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the AMG Genetics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a few things that I hate about the GTS. And just like this video I did with my C43 a while ago, they're not actually things that I hate, but they could just be some things that I find weird, or they're just awkward, or they're just kind of bad in general. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and let's hop into the video. So, the first thing that I hate about the GTS is the really awkward positioning of the side mirrors. But the problem is, your seat positioning doesn't really make a difference whether you sit all the way back or forward, all the way up high, down low, it doesn't matter. The mirror is in such a weird angle that sometimes when I stop at stop signs and I'm trying to see if there's anyone there, I really have to stretch my neck in all sorts of different positions in order to see if somebody is stopped at the stop sign. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick example of that. Now, the next thing that I hate, but I kind of don't hate at the same time, is the piano black trim pieces. It looks really, really good, but I've heard online and even seen in person that they pick up scratches really easily, and a lot of dust particles is so easily seen on them. So if your car isn't in tip-top shape interior-wise, then it's just gonna look dirty all the time. I've only driven this car for 200-ish miles, and I can see all the dust all over the piano black interior trim pieces. And I'm always really careful about where I place my keys or anything like that, because I really don't want to scratch this piano black trim piece, because it does look good. I just don't like how easy it is to see the small imperfections on it. Alright, and now the next thing that I hate about this car, but is kind of inevitable, you have to do it, is the long break-in period. For some people, 1,000 miles is nothing. They do that in 2 days. But for people like me, where I only drive my car on my days off and stuff, it takes such a long time to get through the break-in period. And I mean, I know I shouldn't really be complaining because it's an essential part of keeping your car healthy in the future. So if you guys are gonna unsubscribe because I keep complaining about dumb things, then I'm not gonna stop you. But still, it's just my opinion. You don't have to agree with it. But I do know that the break-in period is pretty essential. If you guys want to learn how to break in your AMG properly, I just made a video about that 2.5 seconds ago. You can click it right over here or over here, whichever side is on, I don't really know. But yeah, long break-in period, it is what it is. Follow the rules, keep your car healthy. Alright, the next thing is, I don't really like the positioning of the gear selector all the way in the back down here. It's kind of weird. If I go to park, I really have to kind of twist my shoulder and my arm backwards to hit the button to park the car. In my C43, the gear selector was right next to the steering wheel. It was so easy to just press the buttons to park, to drive, to neutral, to reverse. So easy. But in this car, you really have to just rotate half your body to reach the gear selector down here. And the size of it is kind of weird too. It's this long in length, 1.5 inches long in length. So when you press it, you kind of have to make your hand tiny and just bloop. But overall, I love this car so far. Even though I just kind of was pretty nitpicky about the stuff here and there, I still love this car. I'm gonna keep it for a very long time. But yeah, there you go. I'm done blabbering on. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. 96% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and they always come back to watch my videos again, so you might as well take 2 seconds out of your day and hit that subscribe button. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Don't finna jump for the shit all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your fall through with the nightsticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there.